Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6th String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play a beginner level fingerstyle arrangement of Isn't She Lovely by Stevie Wonder. Previously, I did a more advanced version of this, so if you're looking for something a bit more challenging, then check that out. Just follow the links through. But if you're not, I really hope you enjoy this lesson. If you do, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. So I start this one on that little fill that leads straight into the verse. So that's a C chord. So hold that down, and you can strum the chord, or you can do what I'm doing. I'm playing strings 2, 3, 4, and 5 together, and then we're into our line. So that's the 3rd fret on the 6th string. And then open 5th string, and then hammer the 3rd fret on the same string, so. And then on the 4th string, you're going to play open, and then hammer the 2nd fret. And same on the 3rd string, so open, hammer 2nd fret. So there you've gone. And then you're going to play the 1st fret on the 2nd string twice. So all together slowly you've got. So with the C at the start you've got. And the rhythm's quite hard, it's triplet, so you've got 1, triplet, 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 1. So that might help you or it might not help you. You might find it easier just to do it completely by feel. But that is the opening line, and then once you play that, we just play the C. So all together. And then we're into the verse. So to get into the verse, we play, and then you're in. Isn't she lovely? So that part there is just the open 1st string, and then 1st fret on the same string, and then back to open. So. Okay, and then the chords are A minor 7, and then it's pretty much a D7, G, and C. So for the A minor 7, what I'm doing is I'm holding down on the 2nd string the 3rd fret to start, and then on the 4th string I'm holding down the 2nd fret. So that's what I'm holding down to start off with. And you want to play strings 2 and 5 together, and then you're going to play the 4th string, the 3rd string, and then we're going to take this 3rd fret on the 2nd string and make it the 1st fret and play that. So you've got, so isn't she lovely, da 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 da. And then we can play the 4th string, and then open 3rd string. And that's the A minor 7 bar. Okay, from there, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2nd finger off and put it onto the 3rd string 2nd fret. And that's all you really need to hold down for your D7 chord. You can think of it as a D9 if you like. But that's all you need to hold down. From here you're going to play the 4th string, then the 3rd string, then the 2nd string, and then the open. So. And then on the top string you're going to play the 1st fret, and then open again. So that's like. So from the start. Okay, hope that's making sense. After that, we go to the G. Hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string and the 3rd fret on the 5th string to start, and we're going to play this. Okay, so that's the bar. So we've got those fingers held down. Play strings 2 and 6 together, and then 4, and then 3. Okay, those 2 strings, and then play the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So, then play the 4th string, and then it's going to be the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So like, okay, once we play that 2nd fret on the 3rd string, we go into a C chord. So hold down the 3rd fret on the 5th string, play that, and then it's going to be open 3rd string, and then 2nd fret on the 4th string. Okay, so from the G, once more. Alright, so let's go from the start of the verse. And then great news, you just do all of that again. So you open, 1st fret, and then open again on the top string. And then it just goes round again. So A minor 7 to your D7, G, C. Okay, so the verse is the same thing, just repeated. But once you've done it a 2nd time, and you get to the end, you don't go around a 3rd time. Instead, you go up to F. Okay, and it's slightly different. Okay, so we come out of the G and the C, and then we play open top string, 1st fret on the top string. Then we don't play open top string, we go up to the 3rd fret on the top string and hold down an F chord on top of that. So just a regular F, but with the little finger holding the 3rd fret down on the top string. So like this, and play strings 1 and 4 together, and then 3, 2, open 1. So, okay, and then 1st fret on the top string, and then 3rd fret. So that bar is, and then it's an E chord really. So I like to hold it down like this. So if you think of an E chord, hold that down, but take off your 2nd finger and instead put it onto the 1st fret of the top string. It's going to sound quite tense and dissonant, but with your fingers held down like this, play strings 1 and 6, and then 4, 3, 6. So that's like 1, 2, and 3, and then open top string again. So far you've got to an A minor 7 chord, and you're going to play, go into your D7 chord after that. So hold down your A minor 7, play the 1st and 5th string together, and then on the 2nd string play 3, 1, 3, and then bass, and then the 2nd string, and then we go into our next chord, which is going to be the D7. So take your 2nd finger and just move it up to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and you're going to play that. So that bar is, keep your fingers like that, play the 4th string, and then I play. So there I'm just running right up the chord, strings 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 1st fret on the top string, and then open top string. Okay, so for that whole bar from the D, you've got, and from your A minor 7, okay, so from the beginning of this part, you just got this little bit left to learn. Just that, and that's over a G chord. So again, G like this, 3rd fret on the 2nd string and the 6th string, play that together, and then play the 4th string, the 3rd string, and then it's the 1st fret on the 2nd string with the bass, and then again play strings 4 and 3. So that's like, alright, and then it's the 2nd fret on the 3rd string with the bass. And then we're going to play the 4th string, and then open the 3rd string with the bass, and then the 4th string again. So that is like, okay, and then play the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, hold down a C chord, and pull that 3rd fret off to the 1st fret. And as soon as you hit that 1st fret, you want to play the bass of a C chord, so like, so. And then you just go straight into, and then the whole thing just goes round all over again. So here's this 2nd section once more slowly. And that's it. That's how you play this arrangement of Isn't She Lovely? So that's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, check out some of the other videos I have here on my channel, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com, where I've got hundreds more fingerstyle guitar lessons and a whole bunch of fingerstyle courses that you can take if you want to invest in your playing a little bit more, which you can even try out completely for free when you join my mailing list. So check it out. Links in the description. But until next time, thanks a lot.